brother. Where you
How are
from?
you? I'm from France.
You from France?
Yeah.
We saw your hand, your tattoo. It's very cool.
Thank you.
So we really like to know about your tattoo. Can you tell us about your tattoo, maybe one by one, and what is the history behind the tattoo?
Oh,
What is the first tattoo you do in your body?
my first tattoo is from here. It's like a kanji, Japanese
Okay,
word.
it's a Japanese kanji.
Just my name.
Okay, this is your name.
Yeah, this
Okay.
is my name.
How you read?
Oh, I don't know. It's Roman.
Okay. So they just tell you this is your name,
Yeah.
and then you do it. That is your first tattoo.
It's my first.
Your first tattoo.
Yeah, first tattoo.
Okay. How about the second?
My second one it was a dragon, like a Japanese one.
Wow, this is good. This is good. So this
And
dragon
it's
is
finished.
up to the back.
Up to my back. Yeah.
You don't mind?
Oh yeah, you can. Sure.
Okay. So how about the third one?
And after it's on my arm and my neck. It's from the same artist.
From the center. Okay. Where you do all these tattoo?
In Palawan.
Palawan.
Yeah, Philippines.
Philippines. Oh, you done all the tattoo in Palawan.
A lot of.
Tattoo.
Yeah, like all my arm and my neck. On my neck and something on my back too.
So
Because I have a lot on my back.
oh, you're more on your back.
Yeah.
Maybe later you show us.
Yeah, why not?
Okay. Have you lost count how many tattoo you have?
How many? It's difficult to say. 1,
Must be lost count.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12.
So you got. You still can count. It's 12 tattoo.
12.
Oh, it's cool.
Thank you.
So are you going to do more tattoo in the future?
I think so, yeah.
Yeah.
I would like to do on my neck here,
Okay.
like it's the same style.
Okay.
And I want to do a black frontier here.
Okay. So in your life, when you have so many tattoo, have you faced any difficulties meeting people?
It depends which country you visit.
Okay.
Like I've been in Japan, and some places are very forbidden because of just tattoo.
Yes, because in Japan it's very sensitive with the tattoo, with
but
the yakuza.
after, sure.
Yeah.
But after, a lot of people stop me like in the street and other stuff just to see my tattoo, and because it's great.
Yes.
So it's not very hard to meet people.
Yeah. For us, tattoo is an art.
Yeah, for me, yeah, too.
Yeah, it's an art. So
For me too.
you're not gang leader, yeah?
Yeah, no. Maybe one day, I don't know.
So okay. So where do you think is the best tattoo artist they can do tattoo for you?
For me,
Yeah.
it's in Palawan,
Palawan.
by Villa Tattoo Shop.
The one you know,
It's called Chico,
Chico.
and he did a lot of part. And every time I'm back in Palawan, he's forget tattoo with me.
Oh, okay. Okay, but back about your tattoo about this dragon. Why you put a dragon?
Just because it's Japanese.
Just because Japanese.
Yeah, just
and also, and this one is a samurai.
It's a samurai too, yeah.
So
Because I want to do like one part Japanese
okay,
from here,
okay.
everywhere, and after here it's a Egyptian part.
What is that?
Egyptian god.
Egyptian.
Yeah,
It's
like
a what?
it's Anubis, and here it's a bastet. And I got also one here.
Oh, this is beautiful. This is so real.
Yeah, and for me she represents like a half mother.
Okay. Beautiful. How about this side? This side for on.
So my side here, it's like for travel.
This is where you travel.
Yeah,
because you like to travel.
Because I like travel so much. And here it's a Filipino tribal.
This is the native Filipino native tattoo, the
Native
original
tattoo. Yeah.
original native. All right.
And here just Japanese, Spanish language.
What it mean?
It means don't care about failure, and failure going to be afraid about you.
Okay. Cool. So there's any more tattoo you like to tell us about the story?
So Indian chef.
The Indian chef. Okay.
Yeah, you look very.
This
very
is up to your head.
Yeah. It's very hard, but it's not very hard thing.
Okay.
It's cool.
Just art, not no much meaning. Any meaning for the
The meaning is like take care about all people, about your family, about your friend and all stuff.
Like those back then the Indian people, red Indian people take care of their people.
Yeah, that's right.
Oh, okay. How about your leg? Is it possible to show?
My bag is just it's from Indian too.
This is Indian style too.
Yeah, and with eyes of forest.
The eyes at the back. Okay.
Yeah. And I can show you my bag if you want.
Sure, okay. You just. This is so beautiful.
Thank you.
Wow, there's the Hindu god, the elephant god.
Ganesha.
Yeah. Oh wow, this is the pirate ship.
Yeah.
It's continue from here.
Yeah. It's for you.
So this is like the travel around the world.
Yeah, that's right.
And the scorpion.
And it's okay.
Okay, very beautiful. Very
Thank you, bro.
And how about the wolf?
The wolf, it's a white wolf.
It's a wild wolf.
White wolf.
Why?
He said it's because he take care about everything and he keep quiet all the time.
Ah, okay,
That's the
good.
meaning.
Okay, so what do you think about tattoo people? About the community?
About the community, I like all people who get tattoo
All right.
because it's like an art for me, and I would like the world more open about it. Like from Japan.
All right.
So yeah, what I mean it's actually the world of tattoo people start to be opening, but I would like to be more and more and more because it's like just beautiful on the skin.
Yes.
You see?
So like you original from French.
Yeah, I'm French.
How is the French people think about tattooing?
A lot of people, a lot of French people get tattoo now.
No.
Like they start very very younger now. Like maybe at 14, 15 they get one tattoo.
Oh, okay.
But after you need to reflect a lot about it. Like some people do like the same tattoo, you know. You see many people with the same tattoo.
Yes, correct.
You need to reflect about what you do and about the meaning. So which place do you want to tattoo and other stuff.
How long you think and consider to do a tattoo? Because this tattoo going to be your permanent in your life.
Yeah.
Usually, are you think very long or you just see the art? Oh, I just do. What?
No. I think you need to reflect a lot. But after, it's no age to do it. You just need to be sure. Like for my first tattoo I did when I was 18 years old.
Oh, so young.
Yeah.
Okay.
18. But I was reflected about it for like maybe 5 years. And so now, yeah.
You regret?
No. But I was reflect about it.
You think back. You think back after 5 years.
Yeah.
Okay.
And that's the same for all my tattoo now. I reflect a lot about it. I draw it
Okay.
sometimes.
You draw your own tattoo?
Sometime, yeah.
All right.
And after I go to my place with my friend Chico. And
Philippine?
yeah, he's Filipino.
Okay.
And after we mix together my idea and his idea, and I listen to do it.
Okay. So she is the one, the woman you told me.
Yeah,
So most of your tattoo is done by her.
yeah.
Okay.
Like on my arm and neck and a lot of part of my back. And
So-
for sure my next tattoo is going to be with him.
Okay. She how old?
I think he's 26 or 27.
He's very young.
Yeah, it's very young.
Young tattoo.
But he's very famous and he get better and better.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, really.
So you are confident with a young tattoo artist?
A lot.
You are confident, yeah?
Yeah.
Because usually people would think tattoo artist must be older, must be good.
It depends of what you like, which kind you like, you know.
Depends how creative he is.
Yeah, and it depends how you feel it with your tattoo artist. Okay.
Okay. So when you got tattoo, is it difficult for you to get a job back in your country?
In my country, yes and no. I mean, I'm a chef,
Okay.
so I stay in my kitchen. But normally I work for the 4 and 5 star hotel, so it should be a little bit more difficult to find a job. But after I really don't care because it's my life and I have just one life.
Yes.
So I want to do what I want.
Yes.
And if I can get a job in France, it's fine. If I can't, I can live everywhere.
Yeah.
Also.
So you basically, I think you as a chef,
Yeah.
you can go anywhere and just look for a part-time job.
Yeah,
Just travel around the world.
yeah.
Cool.
I can do it.
Yeah.
So why not?
Yeah. So there's no more boundary as you like to travel. How long you been travel around?
It's close to be like now 14 years old.
So long.
Yeah.
So what is your travel schedule like? Like how long you work and how long you travel usually?
Before I used to work like for 6 months, and but after it depends of your visa, because like I've been to Australia and New Zealand, and the French working visa is 1 year. So I used to be 1 year in Australia and 1 year in New Zealand.
So you work there and travel there.
Yeah.
So you possible to get a job, temporary job.
Yeah, sure.
So is it easy when you go to Australia, country like Australia, New Zealand? Because as I understand, Australia, there are some people that are against the tattoo.
Yeah,
So, but you no problem?
it's no problem for me.
Good, very good. At least you don't face the.
They are very open
No, okay,
in Australia.
okay. So, you go so many country. What is the best tattoo have you seen in your life?
My best tattoo I see in my life, it was in Nepal.
In Nepal?
Yeah, for like a tattoo convention. A man did all his leg, like just one woman. But the artist was very good.
Is from Nepal, the artist?
No, he's from India.
From India?
Yeah, from India.
India, very good tattoo artist, surprise.
Yeah, my scorpion is by
The Indian?
Indian artist.
This one is by the Indian?
Yeah.
Okay. So basically, how many your tattoo is also from around the world?
Yeah.
Besides Philippines,
India,
India,
Nepal,
Nepal,
and Réunion Island.
Kenya.
Réunion Island. It's a French island close to South Africa.
Oh, okay. So, wow, you travel and you do your tattoo all around the world.
Yeah.
But most of your tattoo, as you say, is from most of your tattoo.
More of Palawan.
Palawan,
Yeah, Philippines.
All right. Thank you very much.
It's a good publicity for him.
Yeah, so you're going to see him soon.
Yeah, soon.
So you're going to do another one.
Like it's a new one. I did like 2 weeks and a half ago.
Okay, one more question. You about tattoo, I understand there will be addiction. What
Yeah.
you do, you will want to do again. Will you get
Yeah.
addiction?
It's an addiction because you do one and you want to do 2 and 3 and you say stop, and after you do another one because you have some idea but it's great. But I think don't take a tattoo
On the face.
On the face.
Yes, correct.
And but after, why not?
Body is okay, but not on the face.
Body
Okay,
it's okay.
Yeah, I think this is very up to individual because some people they will do on tattoo on the face. So for me, I still think not on the face is better.
Yeah, me too. For me too.
Yeah,
Like
alright.
to find a job and other stuff, and like when you cross people in the street, on the face is very rude.
Yeah, it's very rude.
Yeah.
Correct. Yeah. So everybody will share their opinion. So thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. So hope you have a safe journey.
Yeah, me too.
See you soon. We hope
See
to
you
see you.
soon.
We hope to see you again with your next tattoo, if possible.
Why not?
Yeah.
We can keep in touch.
Yep.
No problem.
All right. Thank you.
See you.